UPPSC Syllabus 2023. Recently, Uttar Pradesh Public Service Commission has made changes in the UPPSC syllabus. As on February 25, 2023, Uttar Pradesh PSC announced that 2 papers in the UPPCS Mains of the optional subject will be replaced with 2 new Uttar Pradesh General Knowledge papers that will test the candidates' knowledge about the state of Uttar Pradesh. The UPPCS exam comprises 3 stages and every stage has its own significance. UPPSC Syllabus 2023 is released along with the UPPSC Notification 2023 by the Commission on its official website. The first 2 stages of the UPPSC exam have a detailed syllabus which is covered in this article below. Stages Examinations Details. Stage 1 Prelims Exam 2 papers, Objective Type. Stage 2 Mains Exam 8 cheese papers, Descriptive/Conventional Type. Stage 3 Interview Personality Test. Note: UPPSC has removed the optional papers from the UPPSC Mains Exam 2023 and in its place, it has added 2 General Studies papers. UPPSC Prelims Syllabus General Studies Paper 1. Here we will discuss the detailed topic-wise UPPSC Syllabus 2023 for UPPSC Prelims Exam. Current events of national and international importance. Candidates must be knowledgeable about current events of national and international importance. Ancient, medieval, and modern Indian history, a comprehensive study of the social, economic, and political facets of Indian history should be emphasized in history classes. Candidates in the Indian national movement should have a broad understanding of the nature and characteristics of the liberation movement, the rise of nationalism, and the achievement of independence. Indian and world geography, the physical, social, and economic geography of India and the world are covered in Indian and world geography. Only a basic understanding of the subject will be enough for world geography. The physical, social, and economic geography of India will all be addressed in questions on Indian geography. Indian governance and polity, it includes specifics about Indian politics, the economy, and culture. Questions will test your understanding of the political system, which includes Panchayati Raj and community development, as well as the broad strokes of Indian economic policy and Indian culture. The political system, constitution, public policy, Panchayati Raj, rights issues, etc. Social and economic development, sustainable development in social and economic terms, demographics, social sector initiatives, poverty inclusion, etc. Biodiversity, environmental ecology, and climate change. It includes general topics of the environment and ecology that do not require any subject or topic specialization. The issues and connections between population, environment, and urbanization will be the focus of the questions. UPPSC Prelims CSAT Syllabus Paper 2 Comprehension Interpersonal Skills, including communication skills, analytical ability and logical reasoning, problem solving and decision making, general mental ability, elementary mathematics, class X level, algebra, statistics, geometry and arithmetic, general English, class X level, general Hindi, class X level. UPPCS Mains Syllabus. There are 8 papers in the UPPSC Mains examination. The final decision about selection is made based on the results of the UPPCS Main exam. Paper I, General Hindi. Paper 2, Essay. Paper 3, General Studies I. Paper 4, General Studies 2. Paper V, General Studies 3. Paper Y, General Studies 4. Paper 7, General Studies V. Paper 8, General Studies Y. UPPSC Optional Subject removed from Main Exam 2023. The UPPSC Exam 2023 notice was made public on March 1, 2023. The Commission's removal of the optional papers from the main exam and replacement of them with 2 extra General Studies papers, designated as GS Papers 5 and 6, is the most significant modification to the current year's exam pattern. UPPCS Mains General Hindi Syllabus Paper I. In the changed pattern, the UPPSC Mains comprises 8 theory papers. The PCS exam syllabus for the General Hindi paper